Hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel, and I'm sure by now everyone knows those guys who is it, Malusi and Siyabonga Demande, the Demande brothers who were in the kingdom of Eswatini after fleeing the country for being wanted for the unaliving of AKA and Tibbs. They are finally back in the country. On this video, we're going to be talking about that. And without any waste of time, let's get to it. Yes, it has been confirmed that Siyabonga and Malusi Demande are back in the country. The brothers accused of unaliving AKA and Tibbs. Right? They are back in the country. And I've got some questions, and you should have some questions too, right? They were there in the kingdom of Eswatini for some time, citing so many things. One thing I remember that they were concerned about in terms of being extradited back to the country was the fact that their lives were in danger. That's what I can remember at this current moment, right? But my question now is, why now? Why now all of a sudden everything runs smoothly and everything? Ask yourself that, why? Because, okay, I get it. The SAPS is winning. The Department of Justice system, yeah, is winning because those guys are now finally here. But ask yourself, how many cases of a similar nature do we have in the country? Okay, one that I can recall right now is the case of Bushiri, and there was this case of these guys. Why specifically these guys are now back in the country and everything went smooth, they were successful, and at some point you've heard that they abandoned their appeal. Yo, what a laptop, damn. They abandoned their appeal in terms of making an appeal. They abandoned that opportunity. Ask yourself, why? Why? Ekbeni, there's another case, Efaku Bushiri Parati, and that one is still outstanding. And that guy is facing serious charges. I'm not going to mention those charges here. All right. But what if I told you that this extradition isn't just about justice? It's about control, power, and silencing certain voices before the truth reaches the surface. Because think about it, nothing just happens. Nothing just happens. Okay, fine, they are back in the country. Everything is going to be going according to how the law deems fit, that stuff of that nature should run in such a manner. Okay, I get that. But my surprise is, what changed their minds? What changed the minds of these guys? Okay, we've messed up and now we are ready to face the music. Because even the 5 guys that are here in the country right now, who are going to be joined by the 2 that we now have, none of those guys pleaded guilty. None of them admitted to doing all those things. Okay, I get it. No one admits, okay, yes, I did the unaliving, I was hired by so and so. But during the course of time, as the trial commences and progresses, such things are going to come up, right? But why lentole ithathi isikhathi eside kangaka? Imagine the kingdom of Eswatini, yeah, it's a country, I get it, but a country that is smaller than a regular province within the country, if you get what I mean. And it took almost a year to get them from that side to this side. No, man, conte off. Me, I don't just believe anything that comes out of the media, and I don't just take everything as we are being fed, because there are so many things, there are so many layers to this matter. There are so many layers. But over and above, the only thing I was here to talk about is that finally the guys are back. So now they are going to be facing the music. The trial will begin. And I so wish and hope that the family of the deceased finally gets to witness justice that they deserve, that they've been longing for. And I do hope, Uguti, yeah, things are going to be different from now on, moving forward. And I don't know, I'd like to hear your side of thinking. What do you think is happening here? Is everything happening because the law has taken its course as it was supposed to do? Or maybe there's a third hand in this matter? Because it seems as if all of a sudden everything is now running smooth and they abandoned their. What do you think happened? I'd like to hear your thoughts. I'd like to hear your thoughts. What do you think happened? And without any waste of time from me to you, let me just leave you. Let me love you and leave you, and I'll see you on the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And from me to you, I'm signing out. Peace.